Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a schedule in Monday.com. To do that is very easy. Click your account on the upper right hand side and click on administration. On the left hand side, click on work schedule. You'll find a default schedule there, and you can simply click the three dots towards the right hand side and duplicate this schedule. Here you can change it to whatever you want. So I'm going to just make a few changes right here to each of these schedule times, and then I'm going to click on next. You can change this to whatever you want. So I'm going to do something random here as well to make some date changes. As you can see, you can do whatever you want, right? You can set them and all those good stuff, right? So you can go ahead and click and just basically make a few changes to whatever you want. Set some time off and all those good stuff, right? It's really up to you, all right? Now, once you're ready and satisfied, click on next. And here you can choose to assign even to a team or to a person. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select this right here and just click on finish. And as you can see, it creates a new schedule, and that's pretty much it. If you're not satisfied with the name, you can always go back and click and edit that schedule, and you can change the name at the top to name it whatever you want. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Just go through the process and save it again, and that's it.